With cherries you can prepare many types of desserts and sweet accompaniments such as cakes, jams, smoothies, cakes, but above all, they can, and could almost be said must, eat raw. Its flavor is delicious, and it is by consuming it directly that the properties of the cherry are fully present in our diet. The cherry, whose scientific name is Pinus cereza, has been used for immemorial times as an intestinal cleanser, to rid the body of toxins. This is because the pigments that give them their purple color, anthocyanins, which are a type of flavonoids with great cleansing properties. These anthocyanins from cherries are also very powerful antioxidants, and according to studies conducted at the University of Arizona, cherries are the fruit with the highest concentration of flavonoids that exists. This makes it important in the treatment and prevention of some of the most widespread diseases today, related to deterioration, cancer or Alzheimer's. Properties and benefits: purifying cherries have been used as an intestinal cleanser for centuries. They help eliminate toxins, and this is because the pigments that give them their purple color are anthocyanins. Antioxidants: the anthocyanins in cherries are very powerful antioxidants. According to studies carried out at the University of Arizona, cherries are the fruit with the highest concentration of flavonoids. Fight muscle inflammation: anthocyanins can reduce inflammation and the symptoms of arthritis and gout. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, cherries are recommended to combat tendon and muscle pain. They contain melatonin. Cherries are one of the few foods that contain melatonin, an antioxidant that helps regulate the body's heart rate and sleep cycles. Good for memory: the American Association Against Alzheimer's includes cherries as part of the beneficial foods for memory thanks to its antioxidants. Among the many benefits of cherries, it also stands out that they help fight constipation, regulate blood sugar levels, strengthen the immune system, reduce the accumulation of intestinal gas and digestive discomfort, help to relax and calm the mood. So it is a really healthy fruit that is worth including in our diet. For all this, the WHO recommends its consumption. These juicy red pearls are very healthy and no adverse reactions are to be expected from their consumption, although they should only be eaten in moderation by people with digestive difficulties or prone to kidney stones, due to their oxalic acid content. Rheumatism and arthritis. Due to its cleansing and antioxidant components, as well as the presence of salicylic acid, cherries have anti-inflammatory properties. Diabetes. They reduce the risk of this disease and its complications, retinopathy, etc. In addition, they are well tolerated by diabetics due to their low glycemic index, fructose and levulose content. Liver disorders. They help reduce cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the blood and their possible accumulation in the liver. They also prevent the formation of gallstones. Heart. Various phenolic components that are abundant in cherry protect the cardiovascular system and prevent angina pectoris and myocardial infarction. Obesity. They are recommended in diets to reduce weight for its satiating, laxative and diuretic effect. This is due to its fiber, water and potassium content, as well as its low content of lipids and sodium. Beauty. Thanks to its vitamins A and C, they protect and soften the skin. They also favor tanning due to their carotene content and can help reduce cellulite, as they improve microcirculation and inflammation of the subcutaneous tissue. Intestinal disorders. Its regulatory action improves constipation and meteorism, excessive gas formation. Gout. To lower uric acid levels, nothing better than a cherry cure. Some gouty claim that when they notice the first symptoms of an attack, 30 cherries are enough to calm them down. Cancer. Its richness in bioflavonoids, especially anthocyanins, pigments to which they owe their reddish-blue color and which have antioxidant properties, capable of preventing cell degeneration. Eating cherries helps reduce the risk of cancer, particularly colon cancer. Its cell-agic acid content reinforces its protective properties. Anti-aging. The components of the cherry purify the body and protect the nervous and vascular system, prevent atherosclerosis, therefore it can be considered an anti-aging food. Dream. Its richness in melatonin, A hormone that the pineal gland secretes at night helps regulate sleep. Additionally, cherries are one of the few food sources that contain melatonin, an antioxidant that helps regulate the body's heart rate and sleep cycles. Vitamin A. Cherries are an excellent source of beta-carotene, vitamin A. In fact, they contain 19 times more beta-carotene than blueberries and strawberries. Cherries in gastronomy. Cherries reach their fullness in spring, although some varieties last until late summer. In addition to being consumed as table fruit, it is also possible to include them in salads, soups, sauces, desserts, ice cream, or as a garnish for unique and complete dishes. There are sweet, sour, and mixed. One of the main differences is the one established between cherries and picotas. The cherries, generally sweet, have a long and thin tail, while the pillaries, larger, red and darker, and slightly acidic, are marketed without the tail, since it comes off naturally when harvested. Purchase and conservation. Sudden changes in temperature do not suit cherries. They should be kept in the upper part of the refrigerator, without piling them up, and covered with film or a cloth, for a maximum of 3 days. As they do not increase in sweetness after harvesting, they must be chosen and consumed right.